If you've forgotten your Neteller password or need to reset it for security reasons, follow these simple steps to regain access to your account. Step 1. Visit the Neteller login page. Go to the official Neteller website and click on the login button to access the login page. Step 2. Click on Forgot Password. On the login page, look for the Forgot Password link and click on it to start the password reset process. Step 3. Enter your email address. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROC to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 4. Check your email. Look for an email from Neteller containing instructions and a link to reset your password. Make sure to check your spam or junk folder if you don't see it in your inbox. Step 5. Create a new password. Follow the link in the email to access the password reset page. Enter a new password that meets the security requirements, confirm it, and submit the changes. Once you have successfully reset your password, you can log into your Neteller account with your new credentials. Always remember to keep your password secure and consider updating it regularly.